So, you've just landed in Phnom Penh. Welcome to Cambodia. Now, how do you get to your hotel without the hassle of scams?
Hey everyone, we're Mark and Bec, a midlife Aussie couple exploring the world one plate, pint, and pillow at a time. If you love real reviews and honest travel tips, you're in the right place.
In this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process we used to find the official grab pickup spot right outside the airport. Once you land, clearing immigration at Phnom Penh is usually pretty quick. Grab your bags and just follow the signs for the exit and taxis. Seriously, from the plane to the curb, it took us less than 30 minutes. Now this is where it can get overwhelming for first-time visitors to Asia. The moment you step out of the airport is sometimes just crazy. There is people everywhere. You'll be approached by a dozen people offering you taxi rides, tours, you name it, there'll be people wanting you to buy. Don't panic, a simple polite shake of your head and a no thank you is all you need. They're just doing their job and they're just trying to make a living. But we've got a better and cheaper option for you. Ignore the crowds and walk straight ahead, past the rental car kiosks until you come to the main road. Now look straight ahead into the parking lot on the other side. Find the zebra crossing, and for the love of travel, please look both ways. Traffic here doesn't always stop, so be careful. Once you're across, it's a simple 1-minute walk through the car park and you'll be at the grab shelter. A couple of quick things to sort out before you fly to Cambodia. Check if you need a visa. As Australians, we needed an e-visa, which we got online. Super easy. Second, you'll need to fill out your Cambodian arrival form online. That was something I didn't do, got immigration and was sent back to do. I got the look from Bec. I'll link all the official websites in the description below. And most importantly, download the Grab app before you arrive. Set up your account and payment method. Have a local SIM or an eSIM with data, which makes this so much easier. And here we are, the official grab pickup point. Sometimes there's even a friendly grab attendant here to help if you get stuck, but don't rely on that. That's why we downloaded the app beforehand. Now open the app, it should automatically detect where you are and that you're at the airport pickup area. Just pop in your destination. For us, it was the Ohana Palace Hotel. Select your car type and confirm the ride. Within minutes, your driver will arrive. Just match the license plate to what's on the app, chuck your bags in, and you're on your way. And that's it. Easy, right? You just saved yourself time, stress, and probably a few dollars. If this video helped you out, please give us a thumbs up. It can really help our channel. Amazing time in Phnom Penh.